You can access today's free printable using the link in the description down below. I'll also leave a link in the description to the video that goes into detail about how to follow the inbox processing steps that are on that printable. And in today's video, you'll be able to enter a giveaway for 2026 weekly calendar pages, stickers, dividers, and divider labels. For the giveaway song, I'm sharing a new song that I'm calling With My Planner in Hand, so I hope you enjoy.
Ooh, ooh, another year beginning, a chapter to unfold. Got pens in all colors, got my washi tape in gold. With my planner in hand, feels like a new beginning. Feels like a brighter day. Feels like the plans I'm writing will guide me on my way. The page is full of vision and doodles on the sides. Even checking off completed tasks, it all brings me delight. My planner in hand feels like a new beginning. Feels like a brighter day. Feels like the plans I'm writing will guide me on my way. Planning, it's the new trend, sweeping the nation. Coming soon to every desk. Planner sign